Welcome back, children. I hope you all are safe at home. This is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for first standard. Today's topic is solids around us. Children, in the previous class we learnt about special understanding. In this class we will learn about solids around us. Now let us learn about slides and rolls based on the shape of the objects. It can roll and slide, or both the slide and roll. You know what is the difference between roll and slide? Now we will move into slides. Sliding is when the things just slide down on the surface at once without any flip, flop or turning over. Objects with plain surface will slide. Children, you have played in the slides, no? When you sit on the slide, you will slide from top to bottom. The pawn on the carom board also will slide. Now we will go to rolling. Rolling is when things turn over and over again. Let us see some examples for rolling. Children, you have played in cycle, no? You have seen that the wheels of the cycle will roll. On the ground, see this. The wheels of the road roller also will roll. Now we learned rolling and sliding. Now we will solve some sums related to rolling and sliding. Pick the object that rolls. Here we have dice, ball, ice cream and wheel. Now we should tick the object which rolls. Cube will roll or slide. Yes, it will slide. But we should tick the objects which will only roll. Now we will go to ball. You will play with ball, no? It will roll or slide. Yes, it will roll. So we will tick ball. Cone will only slide, so we will not tick it. But wheel will roll, so we will tick wheel. In the previous main, we ticked the object that rolls. Now you should color the object which slides. See this picture, children. What is this? Yes, this is a house. This is drawn using shapes: triangle, square, rectangle and circle. Now you are thinking, what are these? Now we will learn that. Shapes. A shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline. Now we will learn the types of shapes. They are 2D shapes and 3D shapes. There are a number of shapes all around us. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface, such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth, so it also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. The four basic shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Now we will learn about square. A square has four sides. Four vertices. All four sides of a square are equal. Let us see some examples of square-shaped objects. This chessboard looks like a square, and this clock also looks like a square. There are so many things in your house which are in square shape. Find it out. Now we will learn about rectangle. Rectangle has four sides, four vertices. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now let us see some examples of rectangle. You will eat biscuits, no? The biscuit also will be in rectangular shape. You can see rectangle everywhere. The scale which we use to draw lines and the door. Observe that in all these objects, the opposite sides are equal. This is a triangle. A triangle has three sides and three vertices. These are some examples of triangle. See these chips. You will like chips, no? The chips will also look like a triangle. Ask your mother. She will hang clothes, no? Check in your house. Hangers will also be in triangular shape. The carrot, radish will also looks like a triangle. A circle is a shape bounded by a curved line. Observe these examples, children. Now we walk on the road. You will see traffic lights now. The lights in the traffic signal will also be in circular shape. See this plate. This is in which shape? Yes, it is in circular shape. The bottle cap which you put your bottle will also look like a circle. Tick the shape which is similar to the given shape. Children, now we should tick the object which looks like the shape in the left side. First we have a square. In a square, the four sides should be equal. Which objects looks like a square? The carom board and biscuit looks like a square. So we will tick carom board and biscuit. Now we will go to next one. Which shape is this? Yes, this is a circle. Circle is bounded by a curved line. Here which objects bounded by a curved line? Yes, a ball and a CD are bounded by a curved line. So we will tick ball and CD. Now we should tick the objects which looks like a rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In these objects, which objects opposite sides are equal? Mat and soaps opposite sides are equal. So we will tick mat and soap. Here we have triangle. A triangle has three sides. Here which object has three sides? Yes, biscuit has three sides. So we will tick biscuit. Till now, we learnt about plane figures which can be drawn on a plane surface or a paper. Now we will learn about 3D shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth and height. So a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shape. In this class we will learn about cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. 3D shape has three main parts. They are face, edge, corner or vertex. The side of the particular shape is called the face. The line where two faces meet is called an edge. The point where three edges meet is called vertex. Now we will learn about the cube. A cube is a three-dimensional figure. In a cube, every face is a square. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows all the vertices of the cube. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows all the edges of the cube. Let us see some examples of cube. You have played with Rubik's cube, no? It will also look like a cube. And the building blocks will also look like a cube. A cuboid is a three-dimensional figure. In a cuboid, every face is a rectangle. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows all the vertices of the cuboid. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows all the edges of the cuboid. See children, you will watch TV, no? it will also look like a cuboid. And read books, no, it is also a cuboid. Now we will learn about cone. A cone is a three-dimensional figure. In a cone, one face is plane and other is curved. It has two faces, one edge, one vertex. See children, the arrow mark in this picture shows vertex of the cone. See children, the arrow mark in this picture shows edge of the cone. Observe these examples. Children, you will eat ice cream, no? It will also look like a cone. While celebrating birthday, you will wear birthday cap, no? It is an example for cone. Now we will learn about cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional figure. In a cylinder, two faces are plane and one face is curved. And it has two edges, no vertex. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows edges. Observe these pictures children. The shell and juice can also examples for cylinder. Children, till now we learnt about plane figures, which mean 2D shapes. Solid figures, which means 3D shapes. Now we will match the solids with the objects, which look like them. Here we are given sphere, cuboid and cube. First we will match sphere. Which object looks like a sphere? What is it? A box or a ball or a soap? Yes, it is a ball. So we will match sphere with ball. Like this only. Now we will match cuboid. Which shape looks like a cuboid? Yes, it is a soap. So we will match cuboid with soap. Which is the next shape? Yes, it is a cube. Which object looks like a cube? Yes, it is a box. So we will match cube with box. Children, now we should color the same shapes with the same colors as directed. We should color the objects which look like cube in red color. For example, the dice looks like a cube. Color the objects which look like a sphere in blue color. For example, pumpkin, balloon and bulb. Next, you should color the objects which look like a cone in green color. For example, ice cream and birthday cap. Like this only, you should color the objects which look like a cylinder in yellow color and cuboid in pink color. Do this homework children. Take a few objects such as dice, matchbox, carrot, coin. Keep these objects on a paper and draw a line around the edge with a pencil. Name the object formed and write the sides and corners or vertices and write the examples as the things in your home. Thank you children. All the best for next activity. Stay home, stay safe.